What's up, guys? It's Wiqed with American Eagle Harley-Davidson, bringing you the new bike of the week. We have this beautiful 2023 Vivid Black Street Glide Special. Tricked it out a little bit. As you can see, it's got the Adversary Collection. You got brake pedal, floorboards, passenger pegs, timing cover here, grips, derby cover, ship peg. There's a lot of the Adversary stuff on here, which is a nice accent to this bike. It also comes with a native custom baggers fat tire kit, the 200 on the front, the wheel, the wrap style fender. Also up here in the front, you're going to also have the LED turn signals, which will also be in the back. Turn signals LED. Stage 1 tab performance, zombie baffles. It does have the RDRS, traction control, rain mode, whole hill assist, tire sensors. Also has the 4-point docking hardware in the Sissy Bar. If you want to come and ride this bike or any of our bikes, come and see Wiqed at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Boom!